Class 6 Civics, Chapter 2 Diversity and Discrimination. Children, if you will talk about your own country, we all are different. It might be about our different languages, what we are using in different states, or the dress code we wear, or the different religion what we celebrate. So we all are some anyhow different. So we are going to study today what the difference it means. So there are many things that make us what we are right now or what we are today. So it's depend on how we live, the language we speak, what we eat, or what we love to wear, or which type of taste we want, or what type of games we want to play. So these all are different from others. So these all make us difference between the among the different people. All of these are influenced both by the geological and by the history. So what will be the geography of your own state, or what will be the history of your state? So these all influence get in our life, and that's why we all are different. If we will see deeply inside our country what is there, so we will focus that there are total 8 major religions in the world, and out of this world that all religions were followed and practiced in our country also. We have more than 1600 languages that are people's mother's tongue, and there are more than 100 dance forms. Yet, this diversity is not always celebrated. This is because we feel safe and secure with people who look, talk, dress, and think like us. So we feel ourselves safe then only when we see that closer to me, what that person, he know my language, he can speak in my language. If he is speaking in some another different language which I can't understand, so I will not feel safe. So then same thing happened with us. So whatever the people are different from us, might be they are from our country only, but their languages, their dress code, it might be different from us. So we don't feel safe or secure with them. We feel that we are not safe because we don't know them, or their dress codes are totally different. For example, if any person he will came from that Jammu and Kashmir state in the south, and the south people will be strange for them. While they will, he'll see that he is something unfamiliar or any different kind of person he is, and you all will see and focus towards him, that how he is looking, what type of dress he is wearing. So the same thing happen with you. When you will go in a different place, people will look you the same way, and when people come towards you, you will focus in the same different way. And most of the time we don't understand that why people are different from us. People also form certain attitudes and opinions about others who are not like them. So those who are like us, we make a good friendship with them, or we think positive about them. But those we don't know about them, so we started making something negative. Might be वो अच्छा नहीं है, और वो इसने ये कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, पता नहीं कैसा होगा इंसान. तो इस तरह की थिंकिंग हमारे माइंड में आने लगती है. वी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग समथिंग इन नेगेटिव अबाउट देम, that people to whom we don't know, or their things are different from us. If we will take an example, for example, those people who are staying in village, so what we think that people are not so much as like us, like they are very hardworking people are there, or they don't know anything about modern people, their dress codes are still like villagers. So we started thinking something about them. The same thing happened with the villages when they think about the urban people, like they are too lazy, they don't know how to save the nature, they are not good. So these type of thinking they have. So we both are making something negative opinion about each other. So that only we are going to study today, that known as prejudice. Prejudice, it means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. प्रिजुडाइज का मतलब ये होता है कि जब हम किसी को बिना सोचे समझे उसके बारे में कुछ अपने दिमाग में कुछ गंदी बातें सोच लेते हैं. गंदी बातें इट मीन्स कुछ गंदा सोचते हैं, जैसे वो इंसान अच्छा नहीं होगा, या वो बहुत गंदा इंसान होगा, या फिर उसकी ड्रेस कोड्स अच्छी नहीं है. हम गंदा सोचने लगते हैं कुछ भी उसके बारे में जाने बिना. Might be they are new for us, we never seen before, but still we started thinking something negative. That only known as prejudice. Prejudice means to judge something or make a judgment about someone and negative. When it is negative, that only known as prejudice. Even we don't give respect to them, we feel something negative for them, and that's the reason. And these all are not good, which we are going to study right now. For example, if I will take as like people think that English is the best language and all over the people are speaking English, so it's a good language, and those who are not speaking English, they are not good. So this is the negative opinion what we made, that those who are not speaking English, they are not good. तो अगर हम ऐसा आके भारत में कहें कि जो लोग हिंदी बोल रहे हैं वो अच्छे नहीं है, तो इस अच्छी बात नहीं है ना, क्योंकि हिंदी इज आवर मदर टंग, सो दैट्स हिंदी इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री. So we can't make something negative opinion for the other language without knowing them. तो ऐसा हो जाता है कि जो लोग इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते हैं, हम उसे कहते हैं कि वो अच्छा नहीं है, उसको हम रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करते. So it's not like that. So whatever the thinking we make something negative about any another language or any another religion or any another food or any another different customs, so these all negative thinking were known as prejudice. So when people start thinking negative or start judging something negative about someone, that known as prejudice. Prejudice can be like about the religion or about any color, about the skin color, or about the language what the people speak, different languages, or what the dress they wear. So it can be different in different places. Even on that time we started thinking so much about this prejudice. मतलब हम जब किसी को देखते हैं तो हम इतना उसके बारे में बुरा सोचने लगते हैं कि हम उससे दोस्ती तक करना नहीं चाहते. We don't want to make friendship with them because they look so different from us and we started thinking something negative about them. और ऐसी हालत में हम कुछ ऐसा उन्हें बोल देते हैं कि जो उन्हें दुख ही कर देता है. तो ये सारी चीजें प्रेजुडाइज के अंदर होती है. थैंक यू.